Today, I'm going to talk about what inspections you should get as a buyer on the Outer Banks. Number one, you should get a home inspection. I'm pretty sure this is the same in any markets you're in. Always good to see more info on the house that you're buying. If there are any major things that come up, windows, roof, etc., then your real estate agent should work with a professional, get a contractor over there, and get a quote to see how much you're looking at. Number two, a turbine inspection. Now this is if you are getting a mortgage, this is likely required from your lender. Termite inspections are very affordable, typically under $100. Number three, an appraisal. If you are a cash buyer, you may not want to get an appraisal, and that's fine, but if you are getting a mortgage, most of the time you have to get an appraisal. There are some cases where the appraisal is waived, and that's only if the buyer is putting down a certain amount on the loan. Number four, a lot of our properties here in the Outer Banks are on a septic system, so you definitely want to get that septic tank inspected. Sometimes that involves getting it pumped as well, but the septic tanks can be an expense if there are any issues. So definitely something you want to find out up front. Number five, a pool and hot tub inspection. We are in a resort area, so a lot of our homes have pools and hot tubs. Those are things that you want to get inspected during your due diligence period. Number six, if you are waterfront and you have a bulkhead or you have a pier or both, those are two things that's always a good idea to get inspected as well. Number seven, if you have a well. Now, most of our properties do not have a well, and if they do, they're used for irrigation. However, some areas of the Outer Banks, such as Corova, it is very common to have a well, and if that's the case, you definitely want to get the well tested. Number eight, you definitely want to get a survey if you do not have one on file. It will help with title insurance, and the survey, if there are any encroachments, physical encroachments from, a neighbor's fence or something like that, or there's an easement on the property you don't know about, a survey would show you all that information. So those are 8 inspections you would want to get as a buyer on the Outer Banks.